Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: updated OS, stable Wi-Fi, and your seed phrase or hardware wallet within reach. Open the official Xenea app now. Make sure the app icon and permissions match what you expect. Once done, tap Sign In. If you use a hardware device, connect it and unlock it first so Xenea can detect it. This prevents delays and reduces risk of mistakes. Now proceed to enter your credentials or choose hardware sign option when prompted. You now authenticate. Type your username or email and your password carefully, watching for autofill or keyboard errors. If you choose seed phrase recovery, paste or type each word in order and make sure spacing and casing match expected format. For hardware wallets, approve the connection on the physical device and review the address shown before confirming. Once Xenea verifies credentials or receives device approval, it will decrypt your wallet and load balances. Make sure you finish by verifying the dashboard shows your expected balances and recent transactions. This confirms successful login. Enable two-factor authentication or biometrics now for faster and safer future access, and set a secure PIN if offered. If login fails, first retry on a stable network and restart the app. If problems persist, clear app cache or restore using your seed phrase on a trusted device. However, avoid entering your seed on unknown prompts. One key tip: never share your seed or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.